So it's today is December 7th. As you can see, I'm standing in a cornfield, harvested cornfield. This is our last field. We finished last night at about I think it was about 9:30, and it's kind of late for us on a Sunday night, but we wanted to get done, and we're done. Everything's full at home, and I think we got the cart full. We took out a load this morning with the semi, so we have room again in the wet bin, so we can put some more in. I had the truck and trailer completely full overnight as well, and I unloaded those this morning. So we're gonna reload them here, head back to home. By now the dryer should have enough room. We can get these unloaded, and then we're gonna hitch a ride up here and grab the cart and bring it home, because 2020 harvest is a wrap. So hope you all enjoyed the videos that I put together this fall. This is the last one to harvest. Now it moves to maintenance season. A lot of folks think farmers, when we're done with harvest, we're done for the year, but not in the least. Maintenance. We have plenty of maintenance this winter to keep us busy, so hopefully they will bring to you a couple videos. Oh, we made it home. You can see the wet bin's kind of full. I think what I have in the truck will fit. We got to get the tractor fired up here, let it warm up, and then get the truck started too. So we got to empty the box. See what we can do here. So we got everything started. We're going to warm up a little bit here before we start augering. Like I said, hopefully it all fits in the wet bin because there is no other space. The only thing that isn't full is the dryer itself. So if it doesn't fit, I guess it's gonna have to sit in the trailer for a week. We're starting to ship out enough to get the crop all dried and into storage. But not much changed out here this year. As I said in earlier videos, we added some lights. We added a light on that bin, on that far bin there, on this bin, and then on the opposite side of this big Butler here, there's a light, and the opposite side of the bin we auger the dry corn into, there's a light on that side. So we got 5 lights out here. As more bins are added, more lights will come about. One thing we did that's been a huge safety improvement is we added ladders to the sides of the bin. We were using extension ladders because these are used bins. When we bought them, and they didn't have ladders on them, and so we just made do. So we added a ladder to that bin, the middle bin, this bin. This is a bin of my parents. It was here many years. We just added the bottom 3 rings to it. Anyway, we added ladders to that one, and then we added ladders to that Butler. Again, that was a bin we bought them used. So we'll see if we can. The tractor's warmed up enough. We'll get some grain moving here. So emptying the truck out here. Just had about 100 bushel in it, and then the trailer's still full. It's another 300. I have to keep an eye on this bin here. Watch for that top indicator to flip over. I think it's toned down right now, so it should. I think it's gonna fit. So we'll see how it goes. Well, it didn't fit. See up here, both indicators indicating the bin is full. Well, you know what? I want to be done. I want to put the trailer away. So we're going to fill up the dryer. This is an extremely complicated dryer to run. Yeah, you just see here. First, you got to go find the propane tanks. Make sure the valves are on, so you can got some fire. Yeah, valves on, and you come over to the main valve on the dryer. Make sure that's on, and you come over here to the main switch box and turn that on. And it opens up the control panel, and this is an extremely sophisticated dryer we have here. As you can see, there's lots of touch panels and all sorts of things. We want to make sure the burner is on and the load auger is on, and then there's the start button. You just kind of push the start button and you close the door. You can see we got grain flowing. Grain going in there. Grain coming in there, grain going out there, and filling the dryer. So the dryer holds about 180 bushel, and I climbed up the trailer less than half full. So we should be good to go. Get this loaded up, and we can unload the truck and tear down the load system.